Hi everybody, my name is May-Ann. I'm the Executive Director of the Asia Cloud Computing Association as well as Managing Director for a company called TRPC. And I'm here and I'm speaking to Abigail from Data Economy, and we're doing sort of like a reverse kind of interview where I'm going to ask her, what do you have to ask me, Abigail? How can I help you?
I like that. Well, my first question is, what is the main driver for cloud adoption in Singapore?
Main adoption drivers for cloud in Singapore. I think that a lot of the technology in Singapore is so invisible. It's gone to the point where cloud computing is so ubiquitous that we don't even know that we're using cloud anymore. I don't think anybody says, I wonder what kind of email should I use? I wonder what kind of storage should I use? Should I be on premise or should I be on cloud? It's almost like you just go straight to the cloud because it's so invisible. And I think that that's a testament to how connected the country really is and how much we use technology, that a lot of the background technology has pretty much disappeared into the ether.
And what are some of the hesitations you've noticed in terms of moving to the cloud from enterprises?
Okay, so there is a difference between enterprises and private customers as well as the government. I think a lot of people right now are really concerned about security. I know a lot of people are concerned about privacy issues. I do know a lot of people are also concerned about cost issues. And there are different reasons why people want to move to cloud. So if you're worried about privacy, for example, don't confuse it with security, because from ACCA's perspective, we think that cloud has a better security than an on-premise system. Now, how do you control that? There are a lot of systems for protecting your data. There's encryption methodology, etc. So a lot of technical assistance can be given to protect the security of your data. Now, the privacy of your data is a different thing, because your privacy is about your personal information, and most of the time you have the right to say yes or no to giving away that right to use or access your data. And a lot of times it's not the cloud company that has given that away. You probably signed on a EULA license, end user license agreement to a different company to give away access to your data. So don't blame the cloud companies for that. It's your own data. So let's be clear about what we're talking about. So there are people who are worried about privacy and don't want to move to cloud. There are some people who are worried about security, who are worried about that and want to move to cloud. For privacy, it's your data. Make sure that you have the safeguards for it. For security, you can be rest assured that cloud computing is definitely safe. With a lot of encryption technologies, that's definitely a much better system for keeping your data secure. For other people who are worried about the cost of moving to cloud, I think that it can be very clearly shown that cloud computing in many cases is much cheaper than if you were to be running your own on-prem system. Remember, it's not just the running of the system, but you've got the back end to take care of. You have the amortization of the capex, where you actually buy the server, you've got to update and renew the server, you've got to train people to actually run it, you've got to have the network engineers, etc. There's a huge infrastructure behind it that you can basically outsource. And I think that, in terms of the cost price, if the costing is one of the things which is holding you back from moving to cloud, I can reassure you it's much cheaper.
Thank you so much.